Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to post a photo or video on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the pause button down below, which is the last option, or the third option. Then start typing in your post, and you can add the picture by tapping on this first camera icon. As you can see, the app needs your permission to have access to your photos, so tap on either select photos or allow access to all photos. Then have access to your so the app would also like to have access to your camera, so tap on OK. Here you can choose a video or a picture, and you can also take a photo. So tap on the camera icon. Here you can edit this picture. Tap on the button next if you are satisfied with it, and if you want to add a video, tap on the video button, which is the second option in the middle of the screen, and tap on the button post at the top. So that's how you can post pictures and videos. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.